Bibia on Nimre. Red Power in the US Embassy so Omumre. Omumre ni Kremoyonko. The US Embassy and bring the entire football system down in 1 week.
Are they DNC?
They are away. That's why I'm watching into the camera.
They are away.
They are away.
But I'm so my
good. That's it. Assemble next year because it's a family on wire for.
And to the beba
1 week. Your mom 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. Bet Power. SOMPA Sports. And the US Embassy can bring the entire system down. If they are ready, I'm ready.
Baby
Nesi. Baby Nesi. So no move say ada. Oh, they are away. Good. And I no ahwe for no etie no. Because this is the Muhammad.
Da mundi.
Ya betwa ntrache moda. Oduro safo cast ye twatro via no wan na nim gu ase mene no. No, Ghana for nie omon community. Football no obi ape. A public good. Ye nyina ye ntimi nkoya football man nye. Me die so ne say me vice chancellor. So die so ne say obey JF president. Obi ani baby onam. Ne mom se mentimi andi no kra ma me ho ata. Ukwaku metimi adi no kra ma.
Dabi.
What I say? Ne mom mo amanya visa ni bi no come on ntum.
Ara e cheche visa.
Omudi wa ha pam.
Omo cheche
mudi wa ha pam.
Visa na e
ya follow mu nyina ba ko fo nkwa do club ni patre from a management team na ko ya bounce omu nya. Good. Where before I bet to GF abano. Na they ask them to football for him. Na I say what it is say bet power contract ni etwam. Omu twom ho afrim me boa. So what it be? Omu twom ho afrim. Kokona so say
ba oni ze ni power akwa kroba o. Solo pa ba we. Akoya.
Omowa
as I word o. Ni solo cheni only ba sable camera Michael. Say la what you abusa.
Fabian Bates.
Oh, okay.
It one do go post watch channel accumulation.
And then yeah, I mean quite we name Rameba. Oh, but untimi nkasa biem because one me kwaba person one who US untimi nkobi. We see assassin so mbecho.
No, no pa we ya. When you be say adena.
Who say now so tenefi bomb pie say Ghana qualify because Ghana qualifier only Cristiano Ronaldo ye pay. Who see your assassin so ah.
And I rather that say no mon can ye.
Uncle way.
But you scared so para. O be ko. E be jari abala ko. Se Portugal qualify ko. E be ko.
Cristiano Ronaldo ni nua Ghana. Ni nua no. So timi nko. Wow.
Ni nua very say.
Eh, so ni nua ndada. Uni nua ndada, uni
me nim no. Ola oka. Me nim Ronaldo ni o Ghana.
They all got ties here no wa. So me court na me tea.
Na Lutake artist adi mu dia do fa fe de Ghana de.
Mon check no. On a more serious. And Ryan ball ni we no. Me Tottenham coach ne kasa kakra Ange Postecoglou. Me some of the two ja send an Ange or Patrick.
About the Romero red or the Udogie red?
No, I've already said that, you know, that's whatever decision they've made. At some point, we've got to accept the referee's decision. You know, that's how I grew up. Yeah? And I keep saying that, and I said that last time, you know. This constant erosion of referees' authorities, well, this is where the game's going to get. They're not going to have any authority, and it's going to get diminished, and we're going to be in the control of somebody a few miles away watching a TV screen. So a decision's a decision, you know. You either accept it or you don't. I've always been in the camp, you accept it. Trust me, in 26 years, I've had plenty of bad ones. I've had plenty that have fallen in my favour. It is what it is.
Good. We case number 1, Ange Postecoglou, Nasa Matuja. Case number 2, Mauricio Pochettino, and also Nasa Masisane.
Too many coaches wanted the VAR. And then when he said again you, now that is a disgrace, and that this is, you know, it's difficult. I'm not talking about Arteta.
Mira me that's it. Omaka omanse mawie. Na no say kind say munya consistent. Na mama obi enu say VR na nye problem. Nipa na omo ti VR na chi no. Omo na egu agro no. Of course. Omo na egu agro no. Nipa na omo ti VR na chi no. Omo egu agro no. Omo san SOMPA Sports. Ke coaches Michael omo ye adwuma na so omo mode mo enso ni a ye omo dey coaches dey omo dey
yeah president na so ni aye pam
players wo team na so omo mode mo enso ni a ye omo dey
ye bench na say ye tom
na referee ni ade aye ni dey
ye ohwe bia emotion bi na
masa they have freedom
lower winning
and Michael Lebisa say as I didn't na Anthony Taylor e call championship mo as CA all say baba bedi
so ye photo official for money looting no
eno ndanche no penalty bi OGTA ojo championship no mini
wasan kwakoye we ni bi mo championship no
obedi Chelsea ni Man City
ye yi ni so nti no koka na omo ma won kana nkofu bia ye omo referee police number 1 Guy Neville hwene se me wa betro power to the people power no crying class Ange Postecoglou no one country referee said the oye nyenti no oye class
as a bonabaso
Oliver Holt senior football writer for Daily Mail Kireno Postecoglou's reaction tonight to decisions that went against him was a striking contrast to Arteta's on Saturday. Arteta behaved like a petulant, over-entitled child. Postecoglou behaved like an intelligent, reflective leader. I know which of them I would want in charge of my club. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. When a mass uncle to me, Mom, we are in England. We, huh? Referee. I mean, this people should see this. Yeah, people. Oh, sir. When we say referee, referees don't make me real.
Yes.
Their decisions could actually cost you. These referees in England, they be a referee. We almost say, look, omo gadgets, omo pack, omo better cry. Look, they are bad. Omo but we can't call these people out because you will be branded a petulant. Then. Look at that. Referee akosi si obi on esisi na aka wanu tum na wan ka say referee asa na ye ne nya eno de na che say wo ye catchini wo ye gentleman na mum un say referee sisi na obi wanu ka say referee sisi me or ye kronfo wa money modern ya eno de wo no wo ye over pampered, entitled, petulant, brofuhunu. I mean, what kind of life is that? Everybody is punished. Obia punishing okay, except one black sheep referees in England. How do you watch that Arsenal game? Referees consistently showing so massa. I mean, how do you do that? Yeah, I'm saying. A cowbell top player 65 million. Now we destroy Bibia. You can't say oh, it go reach everybody. It go reach with 3
of our botre.
I mean, no better.
But Anthony Taylor,
Massa, I don't know. You see the difference between Wasa and a hatchet boy, and then a breno. Who did they be our son? Who did Chelsea match and a costume? Huh? Massa. Who did they be our son? This is a Chelsea bomb match. Chelsea match.
Don't me destroy everything in England. What's our cause? So
they are untouchable.
Of course.
If there's a proper marking scheme, you're the referee.
Come on, man.
Where any son could do any high.
Come on, man.
For the last 3
Come
years.
on, man.
Who can all recounting incidents?
Come on, man.
Wait, your champion fee.
Come on, man.
Wait.
Manchester City. Born here, that
Weekend.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Ubos were bet destroy Bibia. Ye near Bria who know Chelsea are training, Manchester City are training, and Central for Casa Obi Amra Stadium. Supporters have train any bus and Antiaba Stadium. Born Chelsea.
Yeah. More
Tenasi Obia Tena Stadium, Stamford Bridge, Aboma, referee, Wabet Wabona referee, Abedeni. Trokan.
Only be destroyed.
Trokan. Massa. Trokan. Omunya sa subai no. No munyina nka mum say look enkofu o massa.
Wow.
Look, let's do something about them. Untimi njane sa, it go reach everybody. It go there. And no make a show no. Cromfo we twitu asimiso abomi tuo ajimisika. No SEO enya hwe. Ebedu akomi asoso. What kind of rhetoric is that?
And yet,
come on, man. What kind of rhetoric is this?
Yeah.
Who do you want? And that.
And nada.
and I'm also born here that Bekwesiada.
Kwesiada,
Who say Ken, he would be involved in the game in such a manner, obey BB, Amana costume. Me I can say, oh referee, I said that, and our referees have errors. Strikers able ball to go ahead, I can say nipa. Defenders echo to ampa why I can say almost. Oko post match analysis kwanya guy na bu betra honum on the kaga. Who players he and away near the end and the money could have done this, could have done that.
And we to make sure crutches will be self atas or captain team.
Absolutely.
Self atas or boot team.
Absolutely.
Like I never there on Egypt. Now me no unim the bishop yeshe pa. Also obukai alo. Omo jiji trophies are large as e. Omo nya wonjuma. O na de hele likin na hom. So la likin wa anya hwe. Ah, but kin ball watching.
Exactly. And no some na ya kaseke. Ni omo ye no omo nsesa. Look, allow people to talk to the referees. Me de masemusi. Maybe I'm DCD. Referee akodi ball or Saudi Arabia and the UAE. Manchester City here owned by UAE club. Now referee na be the Liverpool ne Tottenham. At the time Manchester City Lucia, Liverpool show me to them. No akuria om.
Asem we.
Mo kan wo here you see men kasa. Arsenal elbow against Newcastle, a Saudi owned club. Now referees no mo call Saudi kodi balls no bi no. Ba ku na ebe di sa ball no. Na de ye wo ye da ben. Sebi.
Minim komo na oba.
Ah, minim se dokona be a na ye to ahyezu mi hu.
Uza de na be.
Look, mo me nka no krenchen kofo na ye njai sensentrofo bi ni sky for no aka ginam na referees ne de ma ye nka mo tam ye mbo mo tam so. Me se na e bnada. Anthony Taylor na dem finfin no. Mo mpɛ ne assistant ne ni VAR for. Eye den a nye 63rd minute and 42nd minute. Ye benya bibi pin e ba be ka say, "Hey, Anthony Taylor, that just odi Chelsea match nko no mistake."